Good morning, everybody. Noisy outside, but I got a tablet, and now I have the means to do digital art for the first time in forever, so I'm just kind of testing the camera on the portrait side. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, covered in fucking dog hair. Get that shit out of here. Even flying around in the wind. Sorry for how loud it is out here, but it's nice this morning, and I want to get this video part of my video done. So, I finally have the means to do digital art. I'll be posting several videos, probably today alone. But just showing me relearning how to do some things digitally. I've not done digital art since I was in college, so almost a decade. And yeah, it's just a fun little adventure. I thought y'all might want to go on with me. And look out for just some constant posting. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so you're gonna see me doing a lot of really dumb things in this video. Yes, because I'm doing this, maybe watching one or two tutorials and just off basic things I remember from Illustrator. And that's this first mermaid here. I was just getting the idea I wanted for my next bumper sticker out. This next mermaid, though, I watched quite a few tutorials and I did 10 times better, I think, but that's for you to decide. I definitely am still having navigation issues in this video, which I've done a few more since then, and I've gotten better at it. And overall, I'm just really impressed with Procreate as a program. This is my first time using it, and I've never done a digital piece with such ease, you know? Even in college on Illustrator, we did everything with a mouse still. Like, we had tablets, but I didn't like them. They weren't responsive enough for my liking. But that's my cat Lou. He hates any time you shut a door. Ugh, I promise the cat's not being murdered. But yeah, so this week we're gonna see a lot of videos, and probably more videos in general. Yes, because this records automatically as you're working, and I have been having so much fun. Like, I forgot how much I liked digital art, and like, since I've started talking to people, I now realize it's because you don't have to make a giant mess to do digital art. Like, I definitely have ADD or ADHD, but I have to have all the projects, and I have to accomplish something in each one of them, and ideas are just blasting for them constantly. So my studio is a mess most of the time, and this has just like lifted a weight off me. I cannot wait to just dish out things constantly. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.